welcome back to another knitting tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you do a wrap and turn when you're knitting to make short rows. So I'm just knitting along here to where I'm going to do my first wrap down at the end of the row. So I'm gonna put one in here. So I'm not going to knit all the way to the end of my row. I am going to bring my yarn forward and slip the next stitch onto my right hand needle. I'm then going to bring my yarn around to wrap the stitch, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to slip the wrapped stitch back onto the left hand needle again. And then I'm going to do the turn. So just turning around to the wrong side of the work, and I'm going to just make sure that it's not too loose here when I start to knit back again. So I'm essentially just going to knit back as if I'm knitting back on a regular row, but as you can see, it's just going to be a little bit shorter here. So I'm going to knit back, and then I'm going to show you how to pick up that wrap with its knit on the way back so that there isn't any visible hole there. So here, this is my wrap stitch, and you can see the wrap going around it there. And the way that I'm going to close the hole here that a wrap stitch creates is I'm just picking the wrap up first, and I'm also picking it up together with its stitch, and then going round the back of my needle, and I'm going to knit them together through like that. So if I continue to knit along here, you can see that there isn't any obvious hole here where there's a shortened row. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the button to like and subscribe.